If h of x is absolute value of x squared minus 81, what is value of h of negative 3? We have given formula of our h function is absolute value of x squared minus 81, and we need to find value of our h for negative 3. What we have to do, we have to just substitute x by negative 3. So we copy absolute value bars, and we have in parentheses negative 3 to second power. We don't need this parentheses inside. I put only negative 3 to parentheses because we have to raise negative 3 to second power, and we copy minus 1, close absolute value bars. So this is equal, absolute value we copy, and we have negative 3 to second power, this is 9 minus 81. So this is equal, absolute value of 81 minus 9, this is 72. And of course, we have negative 81, so it will be negative 72. So we have that h of negative 3 is equal, absolute value of negative 72 is positive 72. This is my solution.